Hi, this is John with WTI, and lately I've been trying to upgrade my deodorant game. So this is one of my essentials, or one of the my best picks that I have so far. So this is the Arm& and Hammer Essential with no aluminum and essential oils, and it just smells great. Like, all right, normally I don't be looking at deodorants just because of how do they smell, but once I smelled this, I said, no, I gotta take it home. So this has a great smell, and it does the jobs well. It does the job well when it comes to protecting from odors. It's made out of some great materials, great products, no aluminum, no things that are gonna harm in your skin, and it's not going to be too abrasive. And it just smells great. It's not directly for, I would not use it directly for sports. I have other options for that. But if you're going for a normal use where, and this is just great. Arm& and Hammer, that's just a great company that they do a great job. This smells great. This is natural. And if you don't want to go too hard on your skin, this is a great option for you. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.